We can use Visual Studio to give us a lot of information about what is going on. Let me show you how to reach the debug information when you are using the application. So we're going to run our application, and we're going to run our show orders program, and then we're going to hit a key combination called Shift F12. Now, this is not what you want to see. You don't want to see the symbol file not loaded screen. The reason you see it is that within our call stack, we have too much information at this point. So I'm just going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to right click here and say show external code false, because we only care about our specific code. As soon as we do that, we can see that the cursor jumps into our show order screen and show us the information of our screen. Now, how do we query the live information that's going on right now? Well, we can go to Debug, Windows, Output, which is not the one I wanted. We can go to Debug, Windows, Watch, and get the watch screen. It appears over here. And then we can ask many questions to our controller. We can say this.allow update. Is update allowed? Yes, it is. What is the main table of this controller? This.from. And it tells us that the table is orders and its name in the database is order.dbo. What is it, the filters that you decided to apply? So this.where. And it gives us the exact information showing us that it's ship city equals to London or ship city equals to Madrid and ship name is different than blank. We can also have information about the order by. We can see that it's ship city ascending, order date descending, non-unique count 2. We can open it and get some more information on it. We can even ask questions about the relations. We can do relations and get a list of relations and see that the shippers relation is enabled. It's on the shippers table. It's ordered by PK shippers. The row was found, the type is find, and the condition is shipper ID equals to 3 because in the current line, the shipper ID is equal to 3. We can also query the columns that are being used, and we get the 17 columns that are being used, including their values, and ask a lot of questions to these columns. So the debug information that you can get live when you're running the application is amazing in terms of your ability in Visual Studio. And you can simply run it, click Shift F12 whenever you want, and it will drop into the debugger, into the relevant controller, and give you the correct debug information. Please try that using the exercise.